Hello, inquiries. This video is for you. Welcome to the Beast. This is the consultation room, which you will come down and be sat in with me. I'm going to show you around the building. It's quite important. This is the front door which you'll be coming to. We will have this outside if it's not too windy. There are masks there and sanitizer, etc. So when you arrive, you'll come here and then you will go straight into the Concierge Room. I will show you around the place, but you will go straight in here because we're trying to avoid clients and everybody and keep the social distancing. This is where I sit most of the time and where the stylists maintain the hair systems, etc. This is the office, the admin room, and this is the workstation for the stylists and the PC for them. This is a styling room. As you can see, here comes into another styling room and another styling room, and then we go upstairs and another styling room. Go upstairs to the back door and there's a toilet, etc., and again another station for hand sanitizer. So yeah, please come and book in and see us. 01454 321 335. I'm going to be doing concierge at 9 AM to 11 and from 5 PM to 8 PM, and on Saturdays from 12 to 5. So there's plenty of time and for you to come in and see what this is all about. And during lockdown it's been interesting, and you will be seeing me like this with a mask on, but at least the hair looks good. So 01454 321 335. Book in and I look forward to seeing you soon.